And that fire really getting blown around by the wind. I may not add more fuel just because wind's hitting it pretty hard. Thankfully, we're kind of, fire danger is at moderate. But then again, you know, it's not like it's I'm not trying to, you know, keep from getting hypothermic. I'm just, you know, boiling water. So it's a bit, in my opinion, it's a bit much. But, you know, I was cleaning up the site too, and I picked up a bunch of sticks around here and just threw them on the fire. So I'm probably not going to feed it much more. If I do, it'll be minimal. Just waiting for my water to start boiling so I can make a hot drink. Could make some mocha. Coffee hot chocolate, one of my favorites. Let's see what my water is doing. A lot of bubbles, but it's probably hot enough. I just want to make sure it pushes past the bubble point. I think that'd be good enough. It's water from home, so I just complete with some natural, all natural dirt spice. That's how you know you're roughing it. By the way, the coffee for today is from Wildland Coffee. Is that coffee in a bag? It's basically a tea bag, but for coffee. I've had it before. It's pretty good stuff. All you gotta do is let it steep for 5 to 8 minutes. So not too bad. That time of the outing where you gotta change batteries. I just keep them in the front of this. I've had this, man, I can't remember. I think I put my first camera in this bag, which is how long I've had it. I had a blinking light, so it's just part of the program. I keep your batteries. And make sure you have charged up batteries. All I do is I forget if I could do it. I'll put it in upside down as a way of identifying that this one's the one that I changed. Normally I turn it sideways, but I think it's a little too tight for it. And I'll just pull the, although I can put it sideways in the bag. And of course I got my little screwdriver in here for the view screen, so as I shed on my gear, this screw will get loose. So I just make sure that it's nice and tight. So I hate having to bring tools out with me, but you know, it's just a little screwdriver, so you gotta do what you can with what you got. All right, we're back on the Canon. Usually I use this camera for hand holding, and it has better zoom and better focus, so as I've talked about, and it's actually I think it's the initial video I just carried around like this and do my filming. So I got my coffee here, just making sure it's steeped. I haven't been watching the time because a professional would do that. And I am not professional, so I think the longer it steeps, though, the better it will be. Alright, I think it's time for the hot drink together. I actually haven't really been watching the clock, to be honest with you. It's probably more than 8 minutes, to be honest, because I've been doing other things. And I got my bannock. I'm going to do a bannock in this video, in this outing. And then got my no chocolate Swiss Miss hot cocoa. All right, cheers to your good health. Oh yeah. That's another reason I wanted to bring the water up to bubbles, because as it sat, it it cooled down a little bit. But it's still delicious. Highly recommend the combo. Oh yeah. Man, that's good.